By the way, take a look at that. Panda. This is the Panda out of office, and that is our cat named Panda. Yo, Carlo here. So I am flying out to an event. I'm going to give a talk about grit and stuff like that. I was hired by PruLife, so shout out to all the agents of PruLife. But prior to that, I was packing. And I just was taking a look at the bags and the shoes that I was thinking of wearing. And I just realized I miss Virgil Abloh so much because his artistry when it comes to sneakers and his design is something that I've always been a fan of. So for example, the sneaker that I'm wearing for today's event is this one. It is an off-white out-of-office sneaker. I think that's what it's called. So it's just very simple, and then it has that nice text for walking in quotation marks. I don't use the zip tie thing when it comes to this sneaker because it just looks so clean as it is. So I love wearing it like this. This is the more arrow thingy design. This one I have in black and white, UNC blue and white, red and black and white, orange, and yeah, so many other colors. And then I also remembered his first work with Louis Vuitton, at least for his trainer sneakers, which is this one. I wore this actually yesterday, and yeah, I really missed the quality and the style of work that Virgil came out with when he was still here with us. No, so yeah, I really just miss him. And yeah, just to quickly show the favorite bag that I have that he made in collaboration with Louis Vuitton is this one. I think it's called like the Christopher. And while Virgil is known to be really loud with his designs, his most simplest and most elegant work for me has always been his best. And that was showcased a lot during his stay with Louis Vuitton, like especially with this one. I mean, this bag, this backpack, is one of his best work, in my opinion. By the way, since this is going to be a short trip, it's an overnight, it's not even overnight. In Filipino, we call it balikan. I'll be back in one day. This is literally everything that I'm bringing with me. One tote bag. So we just arrived here in the hotel and we have a problem because apparently I forgot my wallet. Well, fortunately, there are e-wallets that I can use, and apparently I can use like a cardless withdrawal from the ATM machine, but it's still a hassle to not have your wallet. So yeah, I'm here in Cagayan de Oro, so I'll take a, this is the view of my room. This is the room that I have. It's a pretty big room, which is very nice. So I'll just have lunch, freshen up, go to the event, and then bring you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go. By the way, in case you're curious what I packed in that very small tote bag, which is the only thing that I brought. So I have with here an Evergoods Cap 2, which is like a tech pouch. So I have a power bank, two power banks, like a smartphone, cables, charger. Very handy. I just grab this every time I'm going out. I have fragrance. This is Creed Aventus. We have a notebook, which I scribble notes on, especially for talks. I have a portable handheld fan from Jisoo Life. We have like, I think it's the Cap 1 or 0.5 from Evergoods as well. Some pens, AirPods, and then another smartphone with a power bank. And then I also brought my iPad.
PruLife UK, how are you today? Oh, that's what we're talking about. Sa paslabong palak.
Sarap ng kain, you know? Sinigang. So I thought it was good for one. Apparently it's good for four. So anyway, the talk is done. Got a lot of good feedback for the talk. The good thing is, this is actually a 3-part talk. So this is the one, the CDO leg. Then on Monday, it will be at SMX MOA for Metro Manila, again for PruLife. And then I think it's January 15, which will be for Cebu. So that pretty much like crazy. I'm very thankful that PruLife invited me to be their like keynote speaker for all 3 events. But anyway, that wraps up today's very short episode. I'll see you guys again soon. I'm trying to get back into this. Hopefully we get enough energy and excitement so that I can continue doing more content on a more regular basis here on this YouTube channel for you all. So I hope you're all doing fine. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.
Attention everyone, we are beginning our initial